So hi everyone, these are the Huawei Freebuds Studios. It's my review. I've been absolutely really excited to get these in for review. I heard a lot of good things about these headphones. So obviously I've been testing these quite a bit. And you have a nice hard case. Just take that out. And that's great for your headphones. You get some leaflets here that tell you, just show you what you have. They're in different languages. But if you open up this one here, just show you, it goes through here. This is the app, which is available only for Android devices, not on iOS. It shows you how to power on and off. It also then shows you how you pair by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. It shows you can wake up the voice assistants by touching and holding the control panel, and also gives you on this side all the various functions that might be useful to show, how everything sort of works. So let's take a look at the headphones themselves. I do like this case, it's really nice. And you've got USB-C to USB-A cable. That's really neat. That's just so neat with a little magnet to hold that down. A lot of attention to detail. These, the cups themselves, they're super comfortable on the head. They're not too heavy. You've got your right and left there to show you which side. They've got really nice, resistant, adjustable arms here. And you have, as you can see, the ANC control. You have various mics that are all around here. There's actually 6 mic call noise cancellation. The call quality is excellent on these. It also does L2HC high resolution codec, which is the low latency sort of version of LDAC. It has an ultra wide frequency response from 4 Hz to 48 kilohertz. Has intelligent dynamic ANC. It's got a hear through mode, and it can do dual device connection, which means it works really well. It's quite light. I said they weigh about 260 grams. You can get about 24 hours playback on one charge with ANC disabled. So it's pretty good. With a 10-minute fast charge, you can get 5 hours of playback with ANC enabled. And with the disabled, that goes up to 8 hours. It's just charged by USB-C and takes about an hour to actually charge. It has Bluetooth 5.2 on Huawei devices with EMUI 10.1 and above. It has the pop-up pairing like you get on iOS devices. And it's fitted with 14mm dynamic drivers. So let me show you if I turn these on, and then I'll talk about sound quality. So here is the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. And you can see, and here you can see I'm connected using my Huawei Mate 40 Pro. And you can see some of the options here. So you've got noise cancelling, off, awareness. You've got shortcuts and audio quality, so if you have a look at that. So it shows you double tap to encall, touch and hold, swipe. Shows you that as well. You can then have the ANC button. So you've got lots of customizable options. On the audio quality, you can prioritize connection or prioritize audio quality. So you've got the choice there. You've got Find My Earphones, you've got wear detection as well. And you can see what happens with the smart wear detection. It can auto resume and pause, which is quite handy. And it does updates as well. So that's the current version, and it's good to have firmware updates to constantly help improve. So I'll leave to one side. I'll leave the different tracks I listen to in the description box. I have a set playlist that I use now for all my headphone reviews. These have a very nice clear sound. The treble and the bass were excellent. In terms of, in fact, these are very sort of punchy, dynamic headphones, really good call quality, nice sounding everything about them is actually just really surprisingly good. As I said, I just don't think you can go wrong. What I will say is, because you need an Android device to actually have the app, that means if you have an Apple device, I wouldn't recommend these, because you can't update them unless you've got someone, or you've got access to an Android phone where you can actually update. And also you don't have all the functionality of the particular application. So you've got good dynamic bass. There is a slight V shape to the sound. Treble's nice and clear, it's not too sharp. Mid-range is excellent. It's just really enjoyable to listen to all sorts of music. And if you've got any questions of these, give us a shout. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Bye for now.